2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, leather seats, outside temperature gauge. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.